Nate's third birthday. It's a highway? Ruthie, help him pull it a little bit so he can open it. Right here. What is it? What is it?
I think you're happy.
Wow, I'm so good at going at you.
Is that what you wanted? Awesome!
You did. That's really cool.
That was cute. I'll put that on. Mom will like that. We'll put it on YouTube.
Howie, that's
We're gonna have to work on getting it out for you. Maybe Uncle Jeff can work on that.
Uncle Jeff's good at that. Oh, yeah. I want Uncle Jeff. Oh,
Good.
I'll just snap. Hold on one second. Can you let
Megan
go of
is
that?